Welcome to this video about cryptocurrency, a digital asset that has taken the world by storm. In recent years, cryptocurrency has gained tremendous popularity and is now a topic of discussion in various fields such as finance, technology, and even pop culture. Cryptocurrency has become a popular alternative asset class that offers a range of investment opportunities for investors. Unlike traditional investments, cryptocurrencies are decentralized, meaning they are not controlled by a central authority such as a government or a financial institution. This makes cryptocurrencies highly volatile but also highly rewarding. In this video, we will explore the different types of investments that can be made using cryptocurrency. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment down below. 1. Cryptocurrency trading. One of the most common ways to invest in cryptocurrency is by trading it. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling cryptocurrency for profit. This can be done on cryptocurrency exchanges, which allow traders to buy and sell a variety of cryptocurrencies. Traders can make money by buying low and selling high, or by short selling and profiting from a cryptocurrency's decline in price. However, cryptocurrency trading is highly risky, as prices can fluctuate wildly, making it important for traders to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. 2. Cryptocurrency mining. Cryptocurrency mining involves using powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations and validate transactions on a cryptocurrency network. In exchange for their computational power, miners receive a reward in the form of newly created cryptocurrency. This reward can be sold on a cryptocurrency exchange or held as an investment. However, mining is not as profitable as it once was, as it requires expensive equipment and consumes a significant amount of electricity. 3. Initial coin offerings, ICOs. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, are a way for cryptocurrency projects to raise funds by selling tokens to investors. These tokens can then be used on the project's platform or traded on a cryptocurrency exchange. Investing in an ICO can be highly lucrative, as the price of a token can rise significantly if the project is successful. However, ICOs are highly risky, as many projects fail to deliver on their promises or turn out to be scams. 4. Staking. Staking is a way of earning passive income from cryptocurrency by holding it in a wallet or on a cryptocurrency exchange. By staking cryptocurrency, investors contribute to the security and functionality of the network and receive a reward in the form of newly created cryptocurrency. This reward can be sold on a cryptocurrency exchange or held as an investment. However, staking requires investors to hold a significant amount of cryptocurrency and can be less profitable than other forms of investment. 5. Decentralized finance, DeFi. Decentralized finance, DeFi, is a relatively new and rapidly growing sector of the cryptocurrency industry that provides financial services without the need for intermediaries such as banks. DeFi allows investors to lend and borrow cryptocurrency, trade cryptocurrency derivatives, and earn interest on their cryptocurrency holdings. DeFi is highly risky, as many of the projects are experimental and untested. However, it can be highly profitable for investors who are willing to take on the risk. 6. Cryptocurrency funds. Cryptocurrency funds are investment vehicles that allow investors to invest in a diversified portfolio of cryptocurrencies. These funds are managed by professional investors who make investment decisions on behalf of the investors. Cryptocurrency funds can be highly profitable, as they provide exposure to a range of cryptocurrencies and are managed by experienced professionals. However, they can also be expensive, with high management fees and other expenses. 7. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are unique digital assets that are stored on a blockchain. NFTs can be used to represent a wide range of assets, including art, music, and video games. Investors can make money by buying and selling NFTs on a cryptocurrency exchange. NFTs can be highly profitable, as they can be sold for large sums of money. However, they are highly speculative and can be difficult to value. In conclusion, cryptocurrency offers a range of investment opportunities for investors. These include trading, mining, etc. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and leave a comment down below.